Alright, so a couple of new images just popped up on X, supposedly showing the upcoming Insta360 GO 4S or whatever it ends up being called. The name's still a mystery, but the leaks come from Igor Bogdanov, and they're interesting. Not crystal clear, but definitely enough to get a feel for what Insta360 might be cooking. Looks like the design is pretty much confirmed now. Insta360 seems to be going for a more unified, all-in-one build this time around. No more separate action pod like the Go 3. This thing looks like one compact self-contained unit, which could mean better durability and improved water resistance, but the trade-off, it might rely more on your phone for live view and controls, since there's no pod with a screen anymore. Now let's talk about that lens. It's noticeably bigger than what we saw on the Go 2 or Go 3, like really chunky. That almost definitely points to a larger sensor, which is great news. On the back, it's got that familiar magnetic charging area, classic Insta360, so we can expect fast recharging or maybe even quicker data transfers through a dock. Right under the lens, there's a little light that's probably a status LED, and the circular grill on the front, pretty sure that's a front-facing mic, which could mean much better audio, maybe even stereo or directional sound this time around. That would be a big step up, since earlier Go cams weren't exactly known for amazing audio. Of course, we're expecting Insta360 to keep the same awesome AI stabilization and auto editing magic they've been nailing for a while now. But if we're being honest, none of this is totally new. Most of it lines up with what's been rumored already. Still, it's nice to get a fresh look at the design. It lines up perfectly with what's been leaked before and just reinforces what we already suspected. Now, switching gears real quick, about a week ago, Mauro Tandoi reposted a photo that's supposedly DJI's next traditional action camera. No official source, just a forum or maybe TikTok, but the image looks like a screenshot from a video. You can even see the play button ghosted over it. What's interesting is that this new DJI cam looks way more like the Osmo Action 5 Pro than the Osmo Action 6 prototype that showed up in FCC filings last winter. So yeah, maybe DJI is sticking with the same design language for another round. No specs yet, no pricing, nothing official, but leakers like Jasper Ellen seem to think we'll see a proper successor to the Osmo Action 4 once summer wraps up. Anyway, that's all we've got for now. 2 mystery cameras, a bunch of leaks, and a whole lot of guessing, but hey, that's what makes this fun, right? Catch you in the next one. Peace!